Hey guys, Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising with another edition of Tips from Tiffany. So as y'all know, we just celebrated our 2-year anniversary. So with my first Tips from Tiffany coming out right after that, I wanted to reiterate something that I have already talked about. For all of those people that have been sitting in limbo, looking and researching and trying to decide, do I take that cruise? Definitely book that cruise. It's well worth it. We have had so many amazing adventures just booking that cruise. All you need to do is figure out where you want to go and out of what port, and it's easy peasy. I mean, you can do it all online. You can get a travel agent to help you. You can watch our videos and email us. We'll help you. There are all kinds of resources out there for you to just book that cruise. Go out, have that good time. Don't let people talk you out of it. We've been cruising now for a few years and I still have people trying to talk me out of it. Don't let them talk you out of it. If it's something you enjoy, go and do it. Have fun on those cruise ships. Interact with the crew, interact with the game shows and the trivias and all of the fun stuff, the excursions. You're going to learn so much from other cultures and learn more about yourself. I've gone and tested my limits and seen what I can do and what I can't do, and getting past fears. I'll tell you a little secret. I am deathly afraid of water, but cruising, I don't have a problem with it. Everybody laughs because I'm so scared of water. I don't like getting in pools and stuff like that. But I will go out and cruise any day of the week. I will go snorkeling. So yeah, just go out there, get over your fear, and just book that cruise and have a trip of a lifetime. You're either going to love it or you're not. Most people that we've talked to, as soon as they've taken that first cruise, they love it and they want to keep doing it. So that's my tip for the day. Just book that cruise. Have fun with it. Try new things, try new foods, try new excursions, test your limits, see what you're willing to do and not do, and just have fun with it. That's the best advice, best tip I can give you. If you're sitting there watching this, trying to decide, do I do it? Yes, just hit that button and do it. You will thank yourself later. So I hope you have enjoyed this tip. Like I said, I know it's a little bit of a repeat, but after doing our 2-year anniversary video, I just wanted to reiterate, just have fun with those cruises, Go out and have a really good time. And when you get back, send us a comment and let us know how you enjoyed it, what you liked, what you didn't like, what you see that you would change or not change about it. Let us know how your first adventure was. Hope you have liked today's video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. And hit that subscribe button. It's free to do so, and it lets you know whenever we get new videos out. I hope y'all have a great weekend and a great week and enjoyed your Thanksgiving, and I hope everybody gobbled till they wobbled. Chris still laughs at me for saying that, but I hope everybody gobbled till they wobbled. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.